Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Technically Wrong. Welcome back again. Okay, today we are going to make some experiment with Herpic toilet cleaner and its surf excel cloth washing, clothes cleaner. Okay, so literally we use Herpic for cleaning our toilets and the floor of our toilet, and this thing is used to clean our clothes. Okay. In Herpic toilet cleaner, the ingredient is hydrochloride. Okay. After mixing those things, we know that those things are cleaner, both are cleaner. But let's see what happens if we mix those things together. Okay. So let's start the video. Herpic toilet cleaner is also called stain cleaner, as you know. Okay, let's mix the ingredients together well. Okay, let's pour some toilet cleaner in this glass. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I think it will be enough. Now we will add some water in this thing. We will mix the mixture of Herpic cleaner and water with a cotton bud. Okay. Now we have to add surf excel in this mixer. Surf excel detergent powder. So let's see what happened. 1, 2 and 3. Let's mix this thing together. It's increasing and making foam, as you can see. The more you stir, the foam is making more and more, and it's overflowing. The mixer is cold, as I can feel, but now it's not cold, it's getting hot. So much foam is making. Look at the color, guys. So fascinating color. If you keep this mixer for some time, the foam will keep increasing. The mixer is hot. Okay, so you have watched the video. I think this was an interesting experiment. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like our video, comment on our video, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Do subscribe.